And welcome to my YouTube channel Excel 2B simulation exam. So open the Excel 2B simulation exam. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee your 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So assignment title is Excel 2B simulation exams. Click the launch. So open the Excel 2B simulation exam. And total question is 16. We move to the question number 1. Rename the sheet 1 worksheet tab to quarter 1. So right click and click the rename and type the quarter 1 and press enter. And next is change the color of the quarter 1 worksheet tab to orange adjacent to 6th column first color. So right clicks and click the tab colors orange adjacent to, click OK. And next is rename the sheet to worksheet tab to quarter 2. Right clicks and click the rename. So type the quarter 2 and press enter. And next is change the color of the quarter 2 worksheet tab to gold accent 4. So right clicks and click the tab color gold accent 4, click OK. So question number 1 is complete. We move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is on the quarter 1 worksheet in the cell B3 format the date using the 31412 on quarter 1 worksheets and select the B3, press enter, go to the home tabs, go to the number groups and click the date 031412, click OK. And next in the cell E3 type the date, so select the E3 and 3 by 1 by 2018 and press enter. And next is use the format pointer, copy the date format B3 to E3. So select the B3 and format pointers and next is select the E3. So question number 2 is complete. We move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is on the quarter 1 sheet and clear the content from A2. So select the A2, press enter and clear the contents, right click and click the clear content. And next is in a cell A2 and type the quarter 1 worksheet. So type the quarter 1 cell and press enter and clear the format from range A4 to E4. So A4 to E4, press enter and clear a format. Right click and go to the home tabs and click the clear a format. So question number 3 is complete. We move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is copy the range A5 to A11 from the quarter 1 worksheet and use the paste option gallery the paste selection to the same location in the quarter 2 worksheets. So select the A5 to A11, press enter, go to the home tabs and click the copy. And next is go to the quarter 2 worksheets and select the A5 and paste the selection and clear the moving border from the selection quarter 1 worksheet. Go to the quarter 1 worksheet and press escape button. So question number 4 is complete and we move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is open the question number 5. Group the quarter 1, 2, 3 and 4, right click and select the all worksheet. On the group worksheets, width of column range A to E 20 pixels. So select the column A to E, right clicks and column width is to type the 20 and click OK. And next is type the transform your odd custom product in cell A1. So copy the title and paste the title in cell A1 and press enter and apply the title cell style to the range A1 to E1. Select the A1 to E1 and apply the title cell style and click the title. And next is ungroup the worksheet and display the quarter 2 worksheet. So right click and click the ungroup the worksheet and on the quarter 2 worksheet. So question number 5 is complete. We'll move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is group the quarter 1, 2, 3 and 4 worksheets. Right click and select the all worksheets. And next is in cell E6 enter the function that sum the value in the range B6 to D6. So select the E6 type is equal to type the sum function and range is B6 to D6, press enter and copy the function to cell E7 to E11. So copy your function E7 to E11. So question number 6 is complete. We move to the question number 7. So question number 7 is on the group worksheet select the range B6 to E12 and use the sum function to enter the total range B12 to E12. So type the B6 to E12 and press enter. Go to the home tabs, go to the editing groups and click the sum function. So question number 7 is complete. We move to the question number 8. So question number 8 is apply the accounting number format to the range B6 to E6 and B12 to E12. So type the B6 to E6, press enter and next is B12 to E12. So B12 to E12 and apply the accounting number format. And next is apply the comma style. Apply the comma style to the range B7 to E11. So type the B7 to E11, press enter and apply the comma style. And next is apply the total set style to the range B12 to E12. So type the B12 to E12, press enter and apply the total set styles in the total. So question number 8 is complete and we move to the question number 9. So question number 9 is ungroup the worksheet keeping the quarter 1 worksheet. Right click and click the ungroup the worksheet and display the quarter 4 worksheet. So question number 9 is complete and we move to the question number 10. So question number 10 is insert the new worksheets to the right of the quarter 4 sheet and rename the sheet is to type the summary. So insert the new worksheet and right click and click the rename. So type the summary and press enter. And next is on the summary worksheet widen column A to E 16.43 pixel 120 pixels. So select the column A to E and 16.43. And next is type the sales summary in cell A2. So select the A2 and type the sales summary, press enter and merge and center the range A2 to E2. So type the A2 to E2 and press enter and go to the home tabs, go to the element groups and click the merge and center. So question number 10 is complete. So last question, print all the worksheets in the workbook at one time and click the print. So I have done the assignments. Please click OK to submit the assignments. Click OK and you can see the score. Excel 2B simulation exam current score is 100%. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT Lab course Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Microsoft Access. We can do all in courses as accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing, and other courses. So I will guarantee your 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam.